Welcome to the Chic Show. My name is Marla, and if you love creating, then I love you. If you see anything you like today, I would love for you to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Today's video is part of a playlist hosted by Devin at Freckled Mom DIY. Her channel linked in the description box as well as the playlist. Today's theme is home decor inspired by nature. For the first project, I used this mug that I found on clearance at Hobby Lobby, as well as some fall floral that I got half price at Hobby Lobby. Combining the two together makes a complete fall arrangement for my kitchen. A friend gave me this glass water jug, and to me it just screamed pumpkin. So I'm using some wired raffia to wrap around the top. Probably should have used some hot glue, so wait for it. Yep, there it is. After I got that wrangled in and to stay put, I did add a couple of lamb's ear leaves as well as a fall leaf. This adds just a touch of fall to my living room. For this project, I'm using a vintage photo frame and a botanical print from a gardening book. I removed the backing of the frame and sandwiched the print between the original glass and an additional piece of glass. I used just a bit of glue stick to keep the print in place. Once I placed the additional glass on the back, I did add a bead of hot glue to the bottom to hold it in place. I absolutely love this vintage frame, and I love the way this turned out. Maybe you've seen these mushrooms in Dollar Tree this year. I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but I just couldn't pass them up. I decided to use jute twine, baker's string, and a little bit of paint to dress them up. I tried to do all three differently. One has jute twine on the bottom, one has jute twine on the top, and one has baker string on the bottom. I used a metallic copper paint for the other parts. Trying to cover the top with the jute twine did prove to be tricky and time consuming. I used a lighter to burn off the loose ends. had this wicker pumpkin for several years. I decided to use some lights that I got from Dollar Tree, but I did end up replacing them later with some orange lights from Walmart. Kitty was very interested in this pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it inspires you to create something. Thank you again to Devin from Freckled Mom DIY for hosting the playlist today. Don't forget to check out her channel and the playlist in the description box. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.